The federal government don yarn tori pipo and media organizations say make dem lead the talk wey go show how Naija don dey grow for democracy and wetin the country don achieve. Mohammad Idris, wey be Minister of Information and National Orientation, tok dis one for the 70th Anniversary Award Night and book launch wey Naija Union of Journalists (NUJ) do for Abuja. The minister tok say Presido Tinubu get long-time relationship with the Naija media and come yarn dem say make dem use their platform take promote national unity, build trust and help make democracy strong well. Oga Mohammad Idris still tok say the Tinubu government go always stand for press freedom and according to am na vibrant and responsible media dey help democracy balance for ground. Oga Idris come confirm am say journalism dey face serious wahala now sake of digital age, generative AI, fake news and how everybody now wan be journalist. E come here and say government go work hand in hand with NUJ to tackle the main problems wey dey disturb tori people for the country.
The President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, sends his warmest greetings to the Nigerian Union of Journalists on this special occasion to commemorate the Union's 70th anniversary, which, as we all know, is March 15th, the historic day in 1955 that the NUJ was founded. From being in the trenches alongside Nigeria's most courageous journalists in the fight for the actualization of June 12 and forging lifelong connections with them, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu possesses an affinity with the Nigerian press that is unparalleled in the history of Nigerian presidency. This affinity, alongside other qualities, drives the President's sacrosanct commitment to freedom of speech and of media expression in Nigeria. As we mark 26 years of continuous democratic governance in our country, the media must champion narratives that reflect the country's democratic gains, stories of institutional reforms, infrastructural development, citizens' engagement, and socio-economic advancement. By constructively spotlighting these milestones, the media not only honors the sacrifices that birthed our democracy, but also helps to promote national cohesion and public trust in democratic institutions. In doing so, the media solidifies its role as a key pillar in sustaining and deepening Nigeria's democratic journey. As I have said at many fora, and I will say it here again today, that the Tinubu administration will always be deeply committed to upholding press freedom as a pillar and as a cornerstone of Nigeria's democracy. And we will continue to promote and advance policies and programs that enable the media to thrive in the discharge of its responsibilities to our democracy and to our society. We know that the proliferation of mobile phones and the rise of citizen journalists and social media influencers have triggered questions regarding what it means to be a journalist in the 21st century. The rise of generative AI, artificial intelligence, in recent years has further complicated matters, bombarding us with a wave of deep fakes and sophisticated disinformation that make credible journalism more challenging and yet, at the same time, more urgent and essential than ever before.
Comrade Hassan Yaya, wey be the national presido of NUJ, for im part, come tok say the union go continue to dey fight to protect press freedom for tori pipo and come remind everybody say NUJ don always stand gidigba against attack wey dem dey do to tori pipo. And come also beg members say make dem not forget say na dem suppose connect government with the people. Comrade Hassan come hail tori pipo wey dey follow correct ethics and throw salute to the author of the book Bleeding Ink, wey be Shaibu Usman, say the book na better contribution to the fight for press freedom for Nigeria.
We gather today to celebrate 70 glorious years of unwavering dedication to truth, integrity, and fundamental human right to inform. Today I stand before you, not merely as the humble national president of NUJ, but as an ardent advocate for cherished principles that unite us as profession. This occasion is more than just a celebration of our illustrious past. It is a moment of deep reflection on our present circumstances, and most importantly, a rallying cry for the future we collectively envision. At this juncture, I must express our profound gratitude and appreciation for the distinguished personalities who grace us with their presence. We are deeply honored to have a representative of His Excellency, the President Bola Tinubu, to further inspire him to collaborate closely with NUJ, particularly in enhancing the safety and security of Nigerian journalists. Our gratitude also extends to distinguished Senate President who has sent a representative here. As we gather here, our hearts swell with gratitude for the giants upon whose shoulders we stand. We honor our past leaders and members whose selfless contribution laid the ground for this formidable union. They faced incredible odds and challenges, yet their commitment to journalistic values never wavered. Many of those esteemed personalities have sadly passed on, but their legacies endure, vibrant and inspiring in our ongoing struggle for press freedom and the right of journalists across our beloved country, Nigeria. Let their indomitable spirit ignite a renewed fire within each of us as we continue to work they begun. Today, as we gather, as we extend our deepest gratitude and pay tribute to the visionary leaders who have steered the course of our union, we honor our past national president and national secretaries whose foresight, unwavering dedication, and profound commitment have been the bedrock of our progress. This tireless effort and sacrifice being bedrock of our progress. This tireless effort and sacrifice have not only shaped our past, but have also laid the robust foundation upon which our present achievement, and indeed, without their exceptional leadership, we simply could not have reached this significant milestone. In this spirit of recognition, we also take this opportune moment to acknowledge and celebrate the remarkable contribution of selected distinguished personalities and state governors. Those are the people we have tirelessly championed the cause of good governance, fostering sustainable development, and promoting peace and prosperity across our beloved nation. Their exemplary work has made a tangible difference in the lives of countless citizens, embodying every essence of public service as responsible leadership.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. Kata Ojesele, TMC News.